Man, let's just face it. Sexual health is mental health. They're directly connected. We all know the turmoil, the mental and emotional stress of not being able to perform sexually or optimally. That's why at the Alpha Male Clinic, we talk about these things openly. Not only that, but we try to stay on the cutting edge of the science and bring you every advantage naturally and pharmaceutically, which is why I'm very excited to announce we've brought in the Priapus Shot, or commonly referred to as the P Shot. Now what this is, it's quite a process. Most people have heard of PRP, Platelet Rich Plasma, but the special machine we've purchased, double spin centrifuge, it takes your blood, it spins it down, it separates the plasma, and then it spins it down again to the finest layer of platelets, which essentially is your body's own stem cells and growth factors. After that process is complete, it is injected into a series of spots on the penis, and the results are incredible. First is it promotes what's called angiogenesis, which is the formation and creation of new blood vessels and capillaries, which increases erection size, increases sensitivity, improves orgasms, it creates new nerve endings, thus bringing complete sensitivity back to that region. And quite frankly, makes you bigger and more confident. And what most people don't understand is sensitivity is erections. It's directly connected to erectile dysfunction. It truly is a miraculous procedure we do right here at the clinic. We're certified, we're experienced. At the Alpha Male Clinic, I try personally and do most every process and procedure here because the last thing I want to do is be a snake oil salesman and sell you something that's not going to be effective. I can tell you, it's incredible. Matter of fact, this is far more effective than anything I've ever seen. Fellas, I know this is cutting edge, but it's actually a very affordable treatment. Now, I know it's a very sensitive subject and a sensitive area, okay? That's why we have a very strong numbing cream. You're going to feel little to nothing through this procedure. Now, I'm sure you're gonna have more questions. Let's sit down, let's have a conversation, because this might be a game changer for you.